Learn use of do and does in sentences. Watch full video for better learning. She does some creative work in classroom. John does not write an essay. Does it rain here? Does she know him? Does her dog bark? Does your mom cook? She does not teach math. How does this application work? When does the bell ring? It doesn't taste good. What does he do on off days? Now next we have do sentences. Don't cross your limits. Do you love watching this movie? I do believe in myself. Do we start now? They don't like fast food. Do you feel cold? Do I need this? Do you live nearby? Do they sell milk? Do they need help? What do you like to eat? When do you leave for college? Do we have time? Do you like this video? If yes, then like and subscribe this channel for more informative updates.